Okay, hello students. Today we discuss about first order reaction. In previous lecture we have discussed about zero order reaction. Means rate does not depend upon the concentration of the reactant. If rate of the reaction is depend upon the concentration of reactant, or in rate equation if K is directly proportional to R raised to 1, means first power of the concentration of the reactant, then it is known as first order reaction. Today we discuss about integrated rate equation for first order reaction. The first order, if you change the concentration, then its K value change. So that is first order reaction. Now we discuss two things for that. First is integrated rate equation and second is T half, that is half time period for first order reaction, and we discuss one sum related with first order reaction. Okay, we discuss integrated rate equation. Rate equation for first order reaction. Again I revise, the reaction which depends upon first power of the concentration of reactant, that is known as first order reaction. Suppose for a particular reaction, suppose reactant is converted to product, then rate we can write as minus dr by dt. Minus dr by dt is equal to K into R raised to 1. The first order reaction directly proportional to first power of the order of reaction. Rate is equal to this. Now minus dr, R you take it on one side, is equal to K dt. This minus sign you take it here. This is equation number 1. If this equation number 1 on integrated, then we have ln R. Ln R is equal to, on integrating this equation number 1, we get dr by R is equal to ln R, is equal to, derivative will cancel. So it is equal to minus Kt plus I. That is equation number 2. So this I is nothing but it is integration constant. Suppose during the initial start of the reaction at time t is equal to 0, then R is, we can write as R0, means original concentration. This you put in above equation number 2, that t is equal to 0. This 0, then this whole term is equal to 0, and for R we can write R0. So ln R0 is equal to I. That is equation number 3. This I value, integration constant, putting this value in equation number 2, means value of I you put it from this to this, then this equation number 2 turns to ln R is equal to minus Kt plus ln R0. This minus Kt you take it on another side, then Kt is equal to ln R0, this come on this side, so it is minus ln R. So ln means ln R0 is nothing but it is 2.303 log R0. Meaning of ln means what? 2.303 log. So we will apply this on this side. So Kt is equal to 2.303 log R0 minus 2.303 log R. Taking this 2.303 common, then we can write Kt is equal to 2.303 log in minus, then log we can write on upon R0 by R. This also you can do. This K value you have to find, then K is equal to k is equal to 2.303 by t, r0 by r. So this equation is nothing but integrated rate equation, that is equation number 4. K is equal to 2.303 by t log r0 by r constant. This is known as integrated rate equation for first order reaction. Again I write K is equal to 2.303 by t log r by r0. Okay, log r by r. Okay, log initial concentration upon final concentration. So r0 by r or rt you can write. Now we want to find the value of this k value. Then you have to convert this equation in straight line, that y is equal to mx plus c. So again I am writing this equation in terms of straight line. So we have to take the first equation that we derived, that is this equation. Okay, this equation we will check it, how to draw this equation. Where this okay, this one ln r is equal to minus kt plus ln r0. So that from that we can draw the graph, but again we will revise this equation. So if you write this equation in terms of straight line, then kt is equal to 2.303. 2.303 also you take it on this side, log r0 upon you can write log r. Okay, log r0 upon log r. Now y is equal to mx plus c. So here this r you make it. So log r is equal to this on this side, then minus kt by 2.303 plus log r0. Okay, again log r, this on this side, this on this side, so minus kt. So this equation y is equal to mx plus c, straight line is obtained. So if you draw the graph, of log r against t time, then it will give the straight line. This straight line at intercept at t is equal to 0, that value will give log r0. Okay, intercept will give this value, that is log r0, and slope against t, then slope is equal to minus k upon 2.303. So from the slope you can find the value of equilibrium constant. Similarly, second part is of t half time period for first order reaction. The time required for a initial concentration becomes half, that time is known as half time period. For a first order reaction, if you write t is equal to t half, then r you have to write it is r0 by 2. This you put in our first order reaction, that is k is equal to 2.303 by t log r0 by r. This value, this thing you put in this equation, our main equation. Okay, for t we have to write t half, and for r you have to write r0 by t. So t you write t half you take it on upside. So t half is equal to 2.303 by k. K will come down. Log r0, here you can write it is r0 by 2. So r0 cancel and log 2 will come. So this value t half is equal to 2.303 by k log 2 value is 0.3010. So if you multiply this, then t half value will come, this you multiply, then 0.693 by k. So T half for first order reaction is equal to 0.693 by K. Means it does not depends upon initial concentration of reactant. But for zero order reaction, it depends. Again, integrated rate law. Okay. So this is the main equation for first order reaction. Remember this. K is equal to 2.303 by T log R0 by R. This is first equation that we derived, and second it is T half. Okay. Few sum related with this first order reaction is given in the book. Try to solve that sum, exercise sum, mostly in the exam. This zero order reaction, first order reaction, and integrated rate law is important for PT2 exam. Okay, so try to go through this factor affecting the rate of reaction, rate law, and these two things. The last part, that is omitted. Arrhenius equation, means effect of temperature on rate constant, is not in our syllabus. To try to solve these two equations, that is zero order reaction and first order reaction. Okay, thank you.